Before painting the walls in the sewing room, the display windows, stairs, and corners were spackled. After the stairs were installed, basswood flooring was laid in the landing. One of the viewers, Sandy B4693 from the sewing room construction video, asked if the display window would have a view to the outside, or will it be more of an alcove mini stage with a wall at the back? Thank you, Sandy B, for your question. There won't be one, but there is certainly the possibility for one to be constructed in the future, given there is space in the back. Pondering the suggestion, the idea of doors came to mind, like the ornate wrought iron doors seen at high-end department stores, hotels, and mansions. So since I had laser-cut panels in my stash, these would be perfect for the display window. Each panel was given 2 coats of white acrylic paint. To elevate the sewing room further, this medallion will adorn the ceiling. It was given 1 coat of paint and 1 coat of Dura clear satin varnish. To give the panels a wrought iron look, 3 coats of antique copper by FolkArt are applied. Next, the panels are glued together to create the doors. Dura clear satin varnish is applied to the doors. Wooden knobs for the doors are coated with antique gold rub and buff. Now the knobs are glued on the doors. Join me next time for the continuation of the sewing room build. Take care, and I'll see you next time.